This drone show video is very simple. So first, let's go to my homepage because I have all my prompts there. You will see how to create drone football player ceremony with AI. You will have all the prompts you need right here. So what you do is copy this part right here. Go to ChatGPT. So before writing anything, look, this is what I got through the prompt. And then at the top of the prompt, you want to add, change this prompt below into Portugal landmark Cristiano Ronaldo, and no words. Change the words into Portuguese flag. Then it will change the whole prompt for you, or you can just create the image right away. Or you can revise the prompt that he gives you and then paste that prompt into ChatGPT or OpenArt or whatever platform you're using and create the image through ChatGPT image. Alright, then you have your image. What you do next is also you just copy the prompt right here below, right here, copy it all, and then go to ChatGPT again. So this is literally what I did. Look, I pasted the prompt, and this time I changed the model into this, blah blah blah. I changed the location into whatever, and I want him to do this and that. And so, same, change the prompt below, change the prompt below into landmark France, character Mbappe, and action, kicks the ball and drones fly away, right? And then it'll change the prompt immediately for you like this, and then you can just copy the prompt right here. Go to, for instance, I use OpenArt, so go to OpenArt, video, choose Seedance right here. We want to do the reference image, okay? And drag in the reference image right here and paste in the prompt that you just got. And what you're gonna get is these types of videos. If the video helped, please hit subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks.
Thank you for watching David's AI Mastery.